Bible verses to help with anxiety. Psalm 94:19. When anxiety was great within me, your consolation brought joy to my soul. Proverbs 12:25. An anxious heart weighs a man down, but a kind word cheers him up. Matthew 6:34. Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Romans 8:38-39. And I am convinced that nothing can ever separate us from God's love. Neither death nor life, neither angels nor demons, neither our fears for today nor our worries about tomorrow, not even the powers of hell can separate us from God's love. 1 Corinthians 7:32. I want you to be free from anxieties. Isaiah 35:4. Say to those who have an anxious heart, be strong, fear not. Behold, your God will come with vengeance, with the recompense of God. He will come and save you. Matthew 6:27. And which of you by being anxious can add a single hour to his span of life? 1 Peter 5:7. Casting all your anxieties on him, because he cares for you. Philippians 4:6. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving let your requests be made known to God. Psalm 34:17. When the righteous cry for help, the Lord hears and delivers them out of all their troubles. 2 Timothy 1:7. For God gave us a spirit not of fear but of power and love and self-control. Matthew 6:25. Therefore I tell you, do not be anxious about your life, what you will eat or what you will drink, nor about your body, what you will put on. Is not life more than food, and the body more than clothing? Luke 12:25-26. And which of you by being anxious can add a single hour to his span of life? If then you are not able to do as small a thing as that, why are you anxious about the rest? Matthew 11:28-30. Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you, and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy, and my burden is light. Psalm 55:22. Cast your burden on the Lord, and he will sustain you, he will never permit the righteous to be moved. 2 Thessalonians 3:16. Now may the Lord of peace himself give you peace at all times in every way. The Lord be with you all. John 14:27. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives do I give to you. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let them be afraid. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives do I give to you. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let them be afraid. Hebrews 13:6. So we say with confidence, the Lord is my helper, I will not be afraid. What can mere mortals do to me? Philippians 4:13-14. I can do all this through him who gives me strength. Yet it was good of you to share in my troubles. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future.